What if our body was a factory, with our body as the main work area where work should take place? This means our mouth is a factory entrance, and our head is head office, the decision center.
Stock comes in through the entrance, goes into central stores, gets distributed to every work area, is used, and the waste is sent to the skips.
This is lazy brain, the manager in charge of every order that comes into the factory. He doesn't care how much stock the work areas can handle. He only cares about the next hit of pleasure. Junk food, quick dopamine, more. He sits in comfort while the rest of the factory struggles under the weight of what he keeps ordering. Selfish, short-sighted, addicted to the feeling.
But what if the offices keep ordering more stock than the work areas can use? The stores fill up. Then the excess spills into every department, and the whole factory starts storing the surplus by expanding. Look at the workers. There just aren't enough of them. They're trying hard, but the yellow stock is everywhere. Every department is blocked. Life becomes a slow struggle. But what if you could recruit more workers?
So in a fat arm, it's hard to get work done as there's hardly any workers, but lots of fat stores.
But in an arm with more workers, i.e. muscle fibers and mitochondria, the energy engines, the boxes are easily used in no time.
So the body starts telling head office it needs help. So how does the body go from fat to fit? It talks to who's in charge.
Hey, head office. We've been lifting heavier and heavier loads. There just aren't enough of us. We need more workers if we're going to keep up.
And once you keep up the work, sure enough, the body starts a process of recruiting more workers by splitting muscle fibers, repairing. The stress causes a response. More muscles appear, things get easier, and fat stores get used up doing it.
When you recruit a lot more workers, they process the energy that comes in. Storage stays low. The whole factory runs light and easy. So how do we get these new workers hired?
The problem was never your limbs. It was never your stomach. It was the manager in charge of head office, lazy brain, who kept ordering for short-term pleasure, while the rest of your body factory paid the price. That version of head office needs to go. Fire the short-sighted, dopamine-driven lazy brain. Put the real you back in charge, or hire Billy to teach and coach you how. This is not a quick fix. It will not happen overnight, and it will take effort. But the first step is simple. Ask. If you don't ask, the answer is already 100% no. Get in touch and start the switch. From fed up and fat to fit and confident again. With decades of experience. 20 years as an Army physical training instructor. A sports science degree with coaching. And thousands of people trained. There are no beastings. No amateur coaching. And you will never be left to fumble along. You will be tested, recorded, and measured weekly. Across a range of interesting, progressive routines. The aim is simple. You will be trained to train yourself. Message Billy today.